welcome back to Zig, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix video moderated error in Grok AI. So, recently, a lot of people have been facing the video moderated error in Grok AI. So, I'll be showing you how to actually fix that. But before I do that, please click on the subscribe button and also like, it really helps a lot. So, let's get back into the video. What the video moderated error means is straightforward. Like it means Grok image system flagged the content as unsafe or against its rules. Maybe you made a video that's unsafe or 18 plus video, something like that, and you just see video moderated error. So you're not going to download the video, make use of it anymore because you went against their rules and regulations, right? But how do you actually fix that? All you need to do is close up your Grok AI. You can either do it by two ways, by going to settings and going to all apps, or do it directly by clicking down your Grok AI app and you click on this small dot I inside the circle, and you can see it right here. Click on storage, and what you need to do is actually clear your cache, and you can also clear your data. So once you do this, you go back and you wait. You also check your data usage. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to change this to your mobile phone, or maybe you're using your mobile data, sorry, you change it to your Wi-Fi and it's going to work perfectly. Or sometimes you can just click on the airplane mode and bring it on again, so that it might be a network issue, right? So after doing that, you can now reopen your Grok AI app. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching. Guys, see my next video. Bye.